Hello and welcome to this week's Novi Weekly Workflow. I'm Scott Easton. Thanks for joining as always. This week we're going to look at a lot of the mega deals for M&A and maybe what that downstream ripple effect might be for, say, the oilfield services groups. In this video, I'm going to be featuring some things in Spotfire and specifically one of our really good integration partners, and we use Conduit for this. So I'll go ahead and make the connection and you guys can follow along in real time. So with something like Conduit, really easy to flow Novi's data into whatever software you'd like to use. In this case, I'm going to use the Frac Focus data sets that we have. And so I'm going to grab that summary information. You can see really quickly all of the fields that are within our table. So having said that, I'll go ahead and load the information. You can see it's very fast and performant. It's going to go out and grab all the Frac Focus disclosures that we've databased and put it into a nice project for me. So for me, I'm going to look, what's happened since, say, 2020 to get a modern set. And I might further filter this down to something like a basin, right? So I'm going to look at some of the mega deals that have happened in the Permian. Now that I've selected my data, I can quickly start from, say, like a visualization. So if I wanted to see what all of these jobs look like, I can see, the lion's share tends to be sand. There's a smaller share of ceramic and resin. Instead of coloring by that, though, maybe I'll color by what the current OFS company is, so who actually delivered these fracs. You can see all of the companies' names listed out right here. And I'm going to go ahead and size it by like an API count. So having said that, really surprising to see just out of the box without doing any manipulation. You're looking at about 72% of all modern jobs that we've broken down into what the frac provider was. So having said that, I'm going to go ahead and switch this visualization to a bar chart. And really what I'm trying to get a sense for is some of the operators. So what I'm going to wind up doing is searching for operators here. I'm going to select a couple. So in this case, I'm going to go, let's grab Conoco there, COG in the Permian there. We'll go Diamondback. They just acquired Endeavor, so we'll go ahead and throw that in there. Conoco acquired Marathon. We'll throw that in there. We'll throw Pioneer in there. And Exxon or XTO. And so that'll give us a pretty good look at what that combined market share is for all of the jobs that featured those kind of mega deal operators. So having said that, I'll go ahead and look at it a different way, and we'll go ahead and use operator on the x-axis, and then maybe I might stack to 100%. What was really interesting to me is you've got Conoco here, and of course they're grabbing Marathon. You can see what percentage of the jobs Marathon uses ProFrac for. And then you can see, Halliburton tends to be a big winner here because the acquiring companies of COG and Diamondback use them almost, very, very, very Halliburton weighted. But then you get some more diverse kind of sets like Pioneer and XTO. Anyways, this is a really fast and easy way to see what some of the downstream ripple effects might be of some of these major M&A on the OFS. Thank you.